You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Oh ho!
That should be the intro.
Ho ho ho! Hi everyone, it's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and this is my daughter, Ducky, as we call her. Her name's Madison,
Yeah.
or Maddie to the rest of the world, but us. This is her present to me, so she's very uncomfortable, but we're gonna get through this. I told her it's therapy she didn't ask for.
That's great.
Okay, so why are we here?
Mystery box.
We have a new mystery box! We got a new cutie.
Oh my god.
So this mystery box is Cricut's Igloo Dreams mystery box, and because we have a new cutie, we're gonna get into the cutie right away. Do you want to look at the cutie? You want to take the cutie out?
Sure, yeah.
I know you love the
these.
cuties. She loves the cuties, looks like I do. I'm gonna laugh a lot because she's uncomfortable, which makes me uncomfortable. So we'll just laugh through it. Oh my gosh! He has different. He's
Yeah.
two-colored.
I don't know what that means.
He's got two colors. That one. You guys, we have a new cutie, and this one is platinum blue. Oh my gosh, look at him. He's got silver antennas and silver hands. You don't know how amazing this is for this to be the cutie. It's so great that we got this for Christmas. I'm so happy. This one is going to sell out quick, guys. Links are going to be in the video description below. Just go ahead, go buy the box, and then come back and see what else is in it, because this cutie is going to go fast. All right, now we're going to get in and see what else is in this box. Which at this point, nobody even cares because they just want this cutie, right? Oh my gosh. First up, we are getting a Cricut hat blank. So this is the ball cap blank. So you can go ahead and use the infusible ink on it. You can also use iron-on on it and make someone a hat. Because everybody loves hats, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Like Dad especially.
Yeah.
You can always make Dad a hat. And we're getting a pack of the Cricut glue sticks. Now these are 8 inches long and you're going to get 30 of these. And one thing I hear over and over again about the Cricut glue sticks they're not stucks. They're sticks. One thing I hear over and over again about these glue sticks is they don't leave as many of those spider webs that the other ones use. So people are really liking the glue sticks.
Ooh, shiny.
Ooh, that is shiny. So we are getting 12 by 12. Sorry to cover you, Ducky. I'll cover me.
Okay.
We get 12 by 12 foil sheets of the rose gold. So you can add foil accents to things. These look so, I love seeing this on cards.
Yeah.
Like when I did the foil on the cards, and you're like, what is that? It's very pretty.
It is.
Very pretty. So you're getting... So you're getting 8 12 by 12 sheets of this. Ooh. This is Cricut, and who's that? Martha Stewart,
Oh my
yes.
God.
Did you know she had a collab
No.
with Cricut? Yeah, she has several different materials. So we're going to get 12 by 24 inches of the Cricut and Martha Stewart copper iron-on, which again, shiny.
Shiny.
We like shiny. We like shiny and we like sparkly, right?
Yes.
Never
and Martha
too much.
Stewart.
And you do love Martha Stewart. I do too. And we're getting a pack of the Cricut Joy insert cards. So you're going to get 15 different cards to make here. And those colors are really pretty. Do you know what it's called?
No.
The macaroon sampler.
Oh.
You do love macaroons.
I do.
You do love macaroons. Thanks. She's got her whole Vanna thing going on here. So hold on, let's open them. So we'll open them and show you all the colors that are included in it. So you're going to get 4 each of the different colors. So you're going to get 4 lavender.
This is not lavender.
No, that's not lavender. I already showed lavender. That's tulip. You're going to get 4 of the tulip. And then you're going to get 4 of the powder blue. And then 4 of the whispering blue, which is kind of like a soft green, right? And you're going to get 15 of the, you and the cat. And you're going to get 15 inserts, and this is the gunmetal. So again, shiny. Lots of shiny in this box.
Yeah.
That makes us happy. Okay,
This is so
put your
humbling.
emotional support cat down, little dog. And we're getting some Cricut removable vinyl. And this is Cricut with Natalie Milan, and it is the Tide Pool sampler. So you're going to get 6 different sheets here, and you're going to get 2 of each of the colors there, which we'll go ahead and take these out so you can see these also. So in this Tide Pool, you're going to get 2 sheets of this blue here. Way to wrinkle it, Doc.
I don't know how to hold it.
And then you're going to get 2 of the lighter, which I consider this like robin. Isn't that like robinade color?
Yeah.
Kind of hard to see, but definitely like robinade color. And then we're gonna get 2 of the green. Also, you can.
No, but I actually want that.
You like that? That is cool, isn't it? Let me see. All right, so we're also getting some premium vinyl, and this is Cricut with the Hostess with the Mostest. I love that. I love that. And this is the Winter Sparkler Sampler. Winter Sparkler? Not Sparkler, Sparkle.
Yeah.
This is the Winter Sparkle Sampler. So you're going to get 6 sheets in total. And they're 12 by 12 inches each. And then we're going to go ahead and show you because there's 3 different patterns in here also. And I love this. We're getting 2 of this. Look at this beautiful, almost like paint pour marble, agate, right?
Yeah.
It's like paint pour, but in a vinyl. And it reminds me of Van Gogh Starry Night. It's even got the yellow over there. You'll love this one. Because you do love...
Polka dots?
You do love polka dots. And this is really pretty because look at the black with the gold. So we're getting 2 sheets of this also. And if you can... see it up close, it's black with like the sparkly gold. That's really, really, really pretty. Hey, this looks like what I have in the bathroom hanging up in the half bath.
Yeah, it does.
It is,
looks
which I
exactly
actually
like
paint
it.
poured. So this is really pretty. This has different teals and greens and blues, a little bit of the gold, and it's like the paint pour. I actually paint poured canvases in our half bath that look a lot like this. You could have just cheated and put vinyl on a canvas. Hello. Oh, and then you could put vinyl over it and put words and everything.
Yeah.
That could be great. I really love this. These colors are awesome in this.
I think
These are some of my
Jax is
favorite
really
patterns I've
stealing
seen.
the
You
show
think
here.
Jax is stealing the show?
Just-
He's so chill. Aren't you,
He
Jaxy
is.
Waxies? But that's not all. There's more.
I have to say that?
Oh, that's what I said.
Okay, you should.
I said that. And we are getting some infusible ink. We are getting 4 12 by 12 sheets, and this is the Windbreaker edition. Which, remember, we got a hat in this box, so you can go ahead and take the infusible ink and make a hat with it.
Pin down here.
So there's 4 sheets in the infusible ink, and then also in the infusible ink you're going to get some of the butcher paper too that you'll go ahead and heat press with it. It helps to draw the moisture out of the material before you press it, which is important.
Yes.
So this is one of the sheets that you're going to get. That's a really cool pattern. It's like little, almost like pixels, right? Pixels. And then you're also going to get this one here, which is got little tiny polka dots on it, if you will, in the red. And then we have this one here too, which is the same pixely, but this is all in the blue and the blacks. And then we have it in blue also with the little tiny polka dots. So you go ahead and use that. You can put it on shirts. You can put it on the Cricut coasters. Something really cool you can do with infusible ink that nobody thinks of is you can buy the Cricut aluminum sheets and then press it on there. So like here, this here is one of the aluminum sheets, and then I pressed an infusible ink pattern onto it and then put vinyl over it. But it gives a really cool effect. I was impressed as that is really pretty though.
Yeah, it's super pretty.
It is super pretty. So that's something you can do with infusible ink also. And it impresses people because they're like, how did you do it? Because it's metal, but then it has that cool pattern on it. You know what this would be really cool for too? Is like making one of those aluminum signs, like gamer in progress or something. Like I think of gamers and stuff with this. Or coding, somebody who likes coding, like computer coding.
Yeah.
Definitely. And that is it. So that is everything that's in Igloo, Cricut's Igloo Dreams mystery box. And we can't forget the star of the mystery box. And this one is a star, like, yes! Our platinum blue two-toned Cutie with his silver antennas and silver hands.
He's great.
He's great. He's great. So that's everything that's included. And because we do get a Cutie in this box, it means it's Cricut Access only. So you do have to be a Cricut Access member to purchase. But links are below. If you're not an Access member, sign up. There's so much you get with it. And you get that new create sticker function, which is awesome, which my daughter's just like me, and you can't deny we love unicorns.
Oh, yeah.
We love unicorns. So we made all these fun unicorn stickers. So that is another feature that they added in for Access members. And there's so much more. And if you're Access and you haven't used your quarterly discount code, don't forget, because time's almost up, which is fall 10. So that gives you $10 off, and you get free shipping, and everything, like materials and accessories, is 50% off still right now. So make sure you get that, and you get your Access code, and your Access. I can never say that every time.
Yeah.
Every video. Sometimes I count how many times I have to say the word Access. I can't.
Access?
That discount. And you get your Access discount. So it's never $59.99 either. So comment below, did you get it? I know with this Platinum Blue Cutie that it's going to sell out super fast. But we thank you guys so much for watching us. If you could give us the like, the thumbs up, hit the little bell so you get notifications. That way, whenever we have a new mystery box come out, or updates, or videos, you will get notified. And it's Christmas, so we just want to say Merry Christmas to all of you guys, and we are so, so incredibly grateful and thankful for all of you, our viewers and our admins and Cricut. We're looking forward to a very craftastic 2024. Can't wait to see what Cricut has in store. Ha, that rhymed.
Yeah.
I'm a poet and didn't even know it. And I want to thank Ducky here because she is incredibly camera shy. Like, I used to have to pay you to get your picture taken.
Yeah.
That's real.
Yeah.
She does not like her picture taken. She does not do social media. So this is therapy. Thank you for my present. I
Yeah.
greatly appreciate it.
For sure.
You might need therapy over it, but it's okay. But go ahead, guys. If you purchase from our links below, we greatly appreciate it. We just get a small commission from it. And that's how we can continue to bring you guys this stuff. So thank you guys for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys. Happy crafting. You can say, you know what I do from Alex? I always say, toodles from Alex.
I don't want to say that.
All right, bye, guys.